Hey guys, this is Carlos of SwimbikeRun.ph. Welcome to another episode of the SBR Show. This is not the SBR podcast, the nameless SBR podcast. That's a different series with Coach Andy. So this is the Aquaman Aquathlon special. Tawagin na lang natin ganun. We want to make this video to ease yung mga kaba ng mga first-timers na sumali sa atin. If you're wondering, gaano karami yun, yung mga first-timers na katulad nyo, don't worry, super dami nyo. Way, way, way above the majority of those who joined. So we're very excited, and we realized also na when we posted the maps, we didn't really explain what happens there or paano gagawin doon like in previous years. So don't worry, because within the week naman we'll be releasing also the athlete's guide that will be your guide sa buong Aquaman Aquathlon race. So don't worry, it's gonna be complete and everything. So what we usually do kasi for duo-man, tri-man, we drive through the entire course. So, kunwari yung round course, magda-drive talaga kami doon. Then yung bike, kung sa duwa-man to, run muna, gada-drive namin, explain namin yung terrain and everything, what they'll see, kailan yung aid stations, and then yung sa bike, and then yung sa run. But sa aquathlon, since we're gonna start in the pool, we'll try to do another video of it. Pero for the previous years, never kami nagkaroon ng video for it, parang drive-thru. But let's see if we can do it this time. But this time, since hindi kami sure kung makakagawa kami, I'll just explain on video what happens sa buong Aquaman Aquathlon weekend from start to finish. Okay ba yan? So, let's try. So, kasi ang dami nag-message din sa amin. Gaya nito. Sir, it will be my first aquathlon race on Sunday. I just wanted to ask if it's standard category, straight 800 meter swim muna before 500k run, or splits po yung distances nila. We'll try to explain all your questions, queries, and everything. By the way, we're so happy to engage with yung social media. So, sabi nga na isa, puro memes yung pinapalabas namin, pinapost namin. Pero in our own little way, that's our way lang of easing the tensions, para mag-relax muna kayo dyan. Kasi we know nga how daunting this can be for the first timers. Syempre, mga regulars dyan sabihin nila, aquathlon lang, wala namang cut-off time. But of course, if this is your first time, can't help but get nervous, di ba? And by posting all that, we're hoping at least nakakatulong kami to ease all your kaba away. Ayan. So, I'll walk you guys through the entire weekend starting Saturday. So, this is what will happen, okay? So, let's see through the posts. And what I'll say now will also be on the athlete's guide, okay? So, race weekend, ito pinost namin sa IG. So, on May 10, we will see you at Multisport Corner. That's inside Sante Fitness Lab. From 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., we will have the race kit claiming and timing chip claiming. So, pwede na kayo i-body mark doon. Okay? So, that will last until 6 p.m. only, and then cut off na. And then, on 5 p.m. on Saturday, also, we will have a race briefing live and online. So, if you want to stay there for the race briefing, you're welcome. But we will also stream it live on our social media pages. So, don't worry. On Sunday, May 11, ito na yung crucial kasi dami nagtatanong dito. Transition will open on 3:30 a.m. at the transition area. So, kung saan nyo lalagay yung mga baskets nyo, there will be a big area there. Makikita nyo yun. Nandun yung mga baskets nyo with numbers and everything. So, pagkatapos nun, that's why we really stress, lalo na kung first timer ka, kasi yung 3:30 a.m. up to 4:30 a.m., yun lang yung oras ng race kit claiming namin on Sunday. Why? Because from our experience, talagang mapipilahan kayo. If this is your first time, we highly suggest claiming your race kit on Saturday. And marami naman kaming ginawang mga way. Kung hindi nyo kaya i-claim, you may claim it via friend, through a friend, via a representative. Just give them your acknowledgement letter that you're allowing them to claim on your behalf, and then a signed waiver. Okay? So, sa iba kasing races, they really don't have race kit claiming anymore on race day. That's because so the organizers and everyone can focus on race day. But kami, since my first timer, sige, we're allowing it, but we're slowly removing it na. So, we're gonna open just for 1 hour on Sunday. So, be on time. Be really early because it will close sharp. And then, on 5:40 a.m., it will close at 4:30, by the way. So, race kit claiming on Sunday will be at the expo area from 3:30 up to 4:30 a.m. Okay? So, and then, At 5:40, we will have the race briefing. That will be at the swimming pool area. Kusan tayo, may holding area tayo doon. So, doon tayo lahat. Doon ako magre-race brief and everything for the Aqua Kids, for the full distance, and then for the light. And then, race start tayo at exactly 6 a.m. So, i-discuss ko later, kids, pero tapusin ko lang tong schedule. So, after that, awarding will be at 10 a.m. But since minsan madalas tayo matapos, we do it earlier. We try to do it earlier. Like yung sa kids, since they will be the first ones to go, super tagal naman kung paantayin natin sila up to 10, diba? So, we'll try to do, past 2 years naman, inuuna namin yung kids. So, pagtapos ng kids, siguro mga around 9 o'clock or something, we can award the kids na. And then, pagtapos na lahat, na-cover na yung top 3, we'll start with the awarding. So, traditionally, past 2 years, never na kami umabot ng 10 a.m. So, earlier than that pa, nakakapag-start na kami ng awarding. Except nung Duaman X2, kasi super haba nung race. So, yun. And then, 12 p.m. nilagay ko lang dito. End of race, and then may TYL. If you're wondering what that means, that's thank you Lord kasi nakatapos na tayo. So that's it. Next post natin. And so we're posting articles also, like yung mga tips for your first aquathlon. So just to alleviate some of your kaba away, and if you're wondering what to do, so that's a good, if you don't have a coach especially, that's a good read. So just read it up. It's on our website. We uploaded it already. Tapos, wave start times. Aqua Kids, this is subject to change, by the way, kasi we're still finalizing the start list. There are still those who haven't encoded themselves, yung mga nakagbayad manually. So, nagpadala na kami ng code, but they haven't registered yet. And syempre, may spot na sila. We're trying to get them to register now para makapag-release na kami ng more accurate start list. Okay? So, Aqua Kids will be the first to go. The Aqua Kids will be released in waves. So that's gonna be wave 1 to 18 by groups of 10. Okay? So magi-start yan, number 700 yata. I'll double check, but I'll mention naman lahat sa athletes briefing and dun sa official race briefing natin. So they'll be grouped by 10. So mauuna yung 7 to 10 and then 11 to 14. So 10 kids, a minute apart. So yun na yun. From our experience, medyo maluwang na yung pool nun. So it won't be the mass start like the adults, but still at least maramdaman na a little bit of what the adults are experiencing, pero at a much safer environment, diba? So at 6:20 a.m., ito yung binago namin. Maraming natuwa, maraming nalungkot. If you're doing the full distance, grabe, ang dami. Hi, salamat. Dahil nagsasabi finally kasi since 2017, since we started having full and light distances, lagi silang huli. We don't know rin why, but eto, this year ginawa na namin. So finally, full distance will go first. So sila muna. And inuna namin, kung napansin nyo, yung mga VIPs natin, yung mga medyo older packs natin, older participants natin. So, nasa first wave sila. So, we're hoping with these adjustments, matutuwa kayo yung mga VIPs natin. And then sa awarding, di ba napansin nyo, inuuna na rin natin sila. So, we're listening naman to the comments and we're adjusting also. So, we're very thankful sa mga pinapadala nyong comments and we try to improve on everything every time may magsabi sa amin. And we're just thankful for the continued support because sold out tayo for the first race of the year of SBR. So, thank you very much, guys. We love you and thank you for the support. So, tuloy tayo sa discussion. 6:20 a.m. I won't go through the age groups na. Just, it's posted naman, di ba? Matagal yan. So, the full distance are gapped by 15 minutes. So, from our experience, that's enough to clear the pool for the next wave. Okay? So, that's wave 19 to 25. Nandun naman yung age groups nyo. And then yung light distance, sorry, kayo yung medyo light ngayon, yung late ngayon. So, it will be from 8:10 to 8:50. So, 10 minutes gap lang yan. If you're wondering, sobrang tagal naman. Pero, next thing you know, it's your turn na. So, okay lang yan. Yung full distance, biruin mo. For the past how many years? Since 2017. Ilan yan? 10, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 yata. Kailan ba tayo nag-pandemic? Basta wala eh. We resumed at 20. I don't know kung nakagawa tayo ng 2020, pero wala yata. So, 2023 and 2024, they're always last. So parang naisip na, no, we're actually wondering why hindi namin nagawa yun. So Mag-start sila 8:40, then full distance pa, di ba? So, with this adjustment, kung light distance ka, mas maaga tayo matatapos. We're confident na mas maaga tayo matapos this year. So, hindi tayo abutan ng init. And huwag kayong matakot sa init because there will be minimum 4 aid stations. Marami pang dadagdag dyan. So, bago pa mauhaw, meron na naman tubig. And sinasabi nga namin, please gamitin yung aid stations. As in, kulang na lang. Pagtaas yun ng finish line, sobrang ligo na, malinis na kayo, uuwi na lang kayo. Okay. So, yun na. So, Oplan last year, Oplan Antarctica ngayon, Oplan Pulmonia. Yun sa dami ng water stations natin, hydration stations natin. Tapos may mga sponges pa yan, parang full iron distance, and then pero 70.3, ganun na ginagawa, Olympic distance. Pero to Aquaman, ako lang, ganun kadami. But syempre, we don't risk anything with any of our races. Like what we always say, a 1% risk is a risk too big. So, and this is one of our improvements. Yan. So, na-discuss ko na yung wave start times and then i-discuss ko lang yung map. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo yung map, there's a start area in the pool. So, ito na, map na tayo. I'll just go to the entire weekend. Kung ano sabi ko. So, Saturday na tayo. Let's do a quick race briefing if you want to call it that way. So, full distance, each set of the pool is 400 meters, okay? So if you're doing the full, that's 800. You have to do both to get 800, diba? If you're doing the light, one set lang, so ibig sabihin, baba ka, and then that's it, okay? If you're doing the full, you do one set, ahon ka, do one more loop where you originally started, okay? And then, same with the kids. The kids are all one loop. So 11 to 14, you will start this is a segment nyo, and then for the Aqua Kids 7 to 9, you will start at the 100-meter mark, okay? And then yung U-turn natin, instead of making you guys do loops, it's all one loop for everyone, okay? So tatandaan nyo lang, may iba lang dito yung full because you will do 2 loops on the swim and then 1 loop on the run. The rest, it's 1-1. Imposible na kayong magkamali, ang pwede lang maligaw, okay? So paano yan para hindi kayo maligaw? Make sure that you will U-turn on the proper U-turn spot, okay? Yung bibs nyo are colored, and then we will also try our best to, syempre yung mga marshals, like what we always say, yung iba kasi nabiblame yung marshals, but as we always say as you go along, it's always your job as a racer, as a participant, to know the race course, okay? So, and know it by heart, because yung mga marshals na yan, sabihin ng marshal, sinabi niya sa akin, doon daw mag-U-turn. Lagi na sinasabi, the marshal, di ka naman niya kilala, di ba? So, wala siya knowledge how many you've done, anong time split mo or something. But the marshals will be there to guide you and keep you safe, but they will not be there to tell you how to race, okay? So, yun na. So, yung swim, I'll start again. You full, pag start nyo, swim. You'll do 400 meters. So, you get to the end, do another one. And then, light, 1 lang. Tapos, yung 11 to 14 and the 7 to 9, it's 1 loop only for the swim, okay? And then, for the run, so papasok na, so paano yan pagkatapos namin mag-ano? So, you will start the swim, naka-swim gear kayo, swim cap, goggles, di ba? So, early in the morning, let's gawin natin buong walkthrough. So, race day na, pagka na-body mark na kayo and everything, punta kayo sa transition area nyo first, and then magsa-set up kayo doon ng shoes nyo, running gear, race belt, if you don't have, ipin nyo na doon para hindi na kayo magpipin sa diba? We have SBR race belts available, by the way. 20 na yata yung nagpa-reserve. So if you want, just DM us if you want to reserve yours. So yung race number nyo, ilagay nyo na doon. Yung swim cap nyo, ilagay nyo na doon. And then running shoes, socks. Okay? So basically, you're running attire. So how will you swim? Yung iba naka-tri-suit na, yung iba naka-swimsuit. Tapos mga babae, iba naka-swimsuit, gusto nyo mag-shorts na lang. Iwan nyo na lang shorts sa transition. It's up to you kung ano comfortable kayo sa swim gear, okay? So that's what will happen early in the morning. You will go to your spot in the transition area. There will be a box there with your number. That's your spot. You go there, place your running gear, and then you wait na for the start and race briefing. You wait for your wave, okay? Transition area, pag nag-close na yan, you will not be able to race anymore, okay? So regardless if you're at the last wave or second to the last, you need to be at the holding area before 6 a.m., before race start. Because ikaw close na yon, once the race starts, you will no longer be allowed to enter the transition area because it will not be safe anymore for those who arrive on time. Unfair din sa kanila kasi they arrive on time, they prepared early, and then just because may isang na late na participant, magugulo yung race nila, magkabanggaan pa kayo doon or something, diba? So, yun. So 3:30 a.m. Yun na, nasa holding area na kayo, nakaantay lang kayo ng wave nyo. So we will call the waves and then the age group. So sasabihin namin, wave 20. And sabihin namin, oh, up next is female 2024 full distance, female 25-29 full distance. Please get ready now. Tapos please come to the start line. Mag-start na kayo, pila-pila na kayo doon. So we will post this start, we will put a sign there then para reviewin nyo na rin, di ba? Kasi kadalasan yan sabihin ng iba, Sir Mao, wave na po kami, pero kaka-announce lang namin 1 second ago. So, but that's okay because alam namin kinakabahan lahat. But, syempre, may brain fog na yan, race fog tawag namin doon. That's okay, but on our part, we'll do our best. Okay, so don't worry. So, yun na, nag-aantay na kayo doon. Uy, ako na. Full distance ako eh. So, ako na. So, nag-ready ka na. Okay, jump in the pool. Your turn. So, jump na kayo. If this is your first time, we highly suggest to stay at the back. Huwag kayo dun sa harap because that's where all the podium aspirants are in the fast swimmer. So, if you're a beginner, just stay at the back. Relax. Ganun ka lang. Tapos, once the gun starts, beep, boom, game na kayo. E di start everything. By the way, waves natin, ito ate, pinaka-perfectly balanced wave. Each wave is averages at around 50 to 60 participants. So, malawag yan if you're wondering if that's a lot of people. Don't worry, we've done waves as much as 70. So, sakto lang to. Yun na, kaantay ka lang ganon. Sa likod, so start na yung wave mo. Boom, shing, go na. Andar ka na, so you'll do the entire set. Ahon ka ulit, do the entire set. Tapos, tapos ka na mag-swim. So, what now? So, punta ka na sa transition area, lakad ka sa carpet, meron yan, papunta sa transition area, lakad ka. Okay pala itong ginagawa natin. Pero race through naman. So, takbo ka. So, syempre, kung gusto mo medyo pang pro, ahon ka, nakagagals ka pa, diba? Swim ka. So, ahon ka, tumatakbo kang ganun. May camera dyan eh. Ahon ka, tapos biglang, peel off mo yung swim cap mo, gano'n, Tapos yung goggles mo, huwag mo na lagay dito. Pwede mo ilagay dito, iwan mo lang. Or, ahon mo, ahon ka, takbo ka ganun. So, punta ka sa transition area. Pasok ka na ng transition area mo. You're in your spot now. Kung nasaan yung gamit mo. So, lagay mo dun yung swim cap mo, lagay mo dun yung goggles mo, and then, syempre, wala ka naman sapatos, hindi ka naman nakasapatos sa swim. So, nakapaa ka na, di ba? So, gagawin mo, if you're a beginner and you have socks, just sit down. Sit down muna, relax. Wear your socks, and then wear your shoes, okay? And then, pagka tatayo ka na, do this slowly, recover, hydrate ka, take your gel and everything. Tapos, tayo ka na, and then, pagkatayo mo, suot mo yung shades, or it's up to you when you want to do this. Pwedeng habang nakaupo ka, wear your shades, sunglasses, and then, of course, yung bib number mo, so doon ka magtatagal. If you don't have the SBR race belt, magpipin ka pa, 4 yun. So, baka matuso ka pa, not to mention, baka ma-damage yung kit mo. So pag naka-belt na yan, wala kasi kami example dito. Pag naka-belt na yung number mo, just pin it, stop ka na. You're on your way to the run. Okay, so just find your proper U-turn spot and then U-turn there, okay? So, we call the transition area the Vitargo kasi sila yung presenter natin. Vitargo Zone, di ba? It's sponsored, we were presented by Vitargo this year, so thank you, Vitargo. So, once you enter the Vitargo Zone, yan, so, paglabas mo, may mga aid stations na doon, and then, sa U-turn spot mo, magkakaroon din ng aid stations. When you get back, there's a lot of aid stations, sobra-sobra. So, yun na. So, edi tumatakbo ka na. Ganun. Tapos, advice number 2, uy, may photographer. Medyo, angat mo ng konti yung yung noo mo, tapos fix mo. Tapos syempre, kaya ako nag-shades, diba? But gustong-gusto ko lagi nag-shades kasi hindi nahalata na laspag ka na pala, diba? So, so hindi halata pagod mo kasi tapang ng shades mo, diba? So, takbo ka lang ganun. Oh, sir, so, syempre, don't forget to cheer other participants kasi ang dami first-timers talaga. So, cheer mo din, go me. Yan, mga mami, diba? Go me, go bro, ganun, depende. So, if you see someone struggling, go bro, come on, you can do it. So, that's what we're hoping na we can maintain here at the Aquaman Aquathlon. So, punta ka sa U-turn spot mo, it will be marked kung saan ka mag-U-turn. U-turn ka lang doon, tapos balik ka na. Tapos pag malapit ka sa finish line, yung parang cheer mo lahat and everything kasi pag naka-U-turn ka, ibig sabihin, almost the race is done na kasi pabalik ka na and downhill na rin yun sa takbo. So, diretso na. So, pagpapasok ka na sa finish line, nakita mo na yung arc and everything, zip up mo na yung tri-suit mo. Tapos ayusin mo, ice beam. Kasi there will be photographers. By the way, there will be a lot of photographers all over the course aside from the SBR photos. So, yun. Ayusin mo na sarili mo. Fix your shades para hindi nga tabingi. zip up your tri-suit, ayusin mo na, ganun. Ito, hindi nakatupi, para nire-represent mo mabuti yung team mo. Tapos when you get to the finish line, hold the tape, taas nyo. You are an Aquaman. So that's it. I guess na-complete na naman namin. If you have any more questions, just let us know. Just send us a DM and everything. And that's it. We'll see you at the race.